Kay,
Oh.
Callum, can
you know
you
my avatar,
challenge me?
Harry.
Yeah.
This is the girl. This
Oh,
is
the girl that killed Gyarados.
Killed Gary.
Nah, you monster.
I thought maybe I could take her power and win.
Well,
Well, you did.
you did win.
You took her Lucker power and you locked it out.
Lucker, dude.
Alright.
We got.
It's Harry versus Callum now?
Yep.
Yeah.
The final battle of today.
And it's going to be a disappointment.
Oh, he speaks.
For who?
For Harry.
For me.
Oh,
I'm
I'm
sure it'll
gonna
be for Harry.
lose.
Harry
No,
sucks
I'm
at
very
this game.
confident you're going to win.
He wants to trade all his Pokemon.
I don't think
Yeah.
Belle Delphine's house is a valid location.
No, it's
I'm
not.
gonna deafen now.
I think it is a
We're
valid
gonna have a
location.
good.
No,
There's a
no,
place,
it's
though.
not.
We're having a discussion afterwards.
Yeah, sorry, I just saw.
Getting
I live
water.
at my house.
I think it's a valid location.
Cameron, not
Just as
Cameron.
much as Wellsborne.
Callum.
I
live
Fine, I'll find out where she lives then. Fine.
That's fine. I'm fine with that. You know,
Jeez.
what's the
Well,
appeal? I don't understand
well.
how much better that actually is. Callum decided
No, because it's meant to be fun.
to
Was
not
born in South-
bring.
if you could-
Ludo, memes are banned, so
He actually lived. She was born in South Africa, so the more you know.
Certificate.
Holy Lord.
bring my dragon.
I only found that out right now.
Well, Ludo,
Where's
so
Mr. Rhyme?
Pardon?
Mr.
That's a
Rhyme is
question.
missing.
Where's Mr.
Yeah,
Wait,
what
wait,
the
wait,
hell?
wait.
He's not
Excuse
using
me?
Mr. Rhyme. That's a cop out. Can anyone say cop out?
He's disqualified. Watching.
We are watching
Yeah.
Has
Yeah.
Factor versus Tesco's _finest.
Okay.
Can
Gosh.
people not talk to the competitors while they're deafened, please? Thank you.
Game hasn't started yet.
The utmost
Yeah,
focus.
hasn't started yet, that's true.
They need to
Wait.
focus. Who are we waiting on? We are.
Waiting
Why did
on-
you spell it actual rhyme?
It's so hard to see who we're waiting on.
I don't know. Is it just RIME?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's mime,
I
but it's a
don't know.
no, it's
Yeah,
not.
No,
that
it's
makes sense.
Rhyme is like a
Almost
type
an
of
anagram of
ice.
rhyme.
We're waiting on Ludo.
I mean, oh,
It's almost an anagram of the mine.
what's the which name can I go for?
Has Factor.
It
Oh,
is
right.
unfortunate that Harry's been typing these all out and just.
Rhyme
people
is
aren't-
the frost formed on
I
cold
mean-
objects by the rapid freezing of water vapor and cloud or fog. That's why it's an ice type.
Zekram into Star Lord.
It's gonna have fucking Zekrom's ability.
Instant U-turn.
not ability,
He's
move.
scared.
I mean, you would U-turn into
Recreate.
that.
He create. He,
Oh my
does-
goodness.
Nessie
That does a
tank
lot
that.
of damage.
Well,
Right,
it's
he
neutral.
outspeed, but Harry's definitely got to switch here.
Yeah.
Switches into the
Nah,
chalice.
that's a pussy
unless,
switch.
Unless he has a Thunderbolt.
Man, his team sucks though. He really needs to
Oh,
stop.
there
that.
is
Dude, Return of the Parish.
Does that mean they both just die?
They
In
will
in
die
3
in
seconds.
3 turns if they don't swap out.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you know.
Wait, does he have a locking move like Whirlpool? Oh no.
Spitfire. Got a lot of planes. Got a lot of planes going around.
He's got something to lock him in, right?
I could have called my. I was thinking about calling my Swallow a plane as well, but I didn't
I
thought
mean,
that'd be
Harry
a bit.
don't
I
care
know,
about
yeah.
what's
Poke
come out.
what your favourite plane was.
Yeah, I know.
It was a plane, Lucas.
Is you a guess?
What?
But
No,
that
my
was
Swallow was
cool.
called Skyscream. Oh, I
That's-
true.
that's Scream's a
That's
plane.
transport.
It's a raptor.
Right. Is Harry gonna leave it? Yeah, no,
Harry's
he's
good
gonna-
one.
He has to switch.
He's special anyway, right?
Yeah,
He's
so
a
it doesn't
tanky
matter.
boy, so.
Yeah, but true.
Callum has to switch here. Unless he's got
Will-O-Wisp and
something big
Talonflame
up
is
his
interesting.
sleeve. This is a Lapras.
Oh.
no.
Oh
Amazing
my
game.
god.
A beautiful switch.
Meme. Not memes.
But Will-O-Wisp though.
Those aren't allowed.
Actually, I changed my mind. The best start to the season will be Callum beating Harry.
Yeah, the champion
Wait, what-
going down in
What was
round
your
one.
original best start to the season?
Yeah.
It was Cameron beating Abu.
Oh, I see.
Freeze dry. Trick room.
Oh, Harry does love Trick
The
Room.
champion is
What does
still on
Trick Room
form.
do?
It makes the
He's
slowest Pokemon go
kind of
first.
fast.
Oh, that's pretty. Whoa.
The Jellicent and Hippopotas
It's pretty
is real
sneaky.
slow.
Kind of
Yeah.
tricky though.
How does
Like
that?
he's not gonna have Dragonite on minus speed.
Nessie.
He's gonna have a
Isn't Nessie
He's
spelled with an
seriously
IE, not a
quite
Y?
min speed Breloom.
He doesn't know what to do.
He's underrated. Has he minus speed? And then there's Mac Punch?
He's got Mag Punch anyway.
Yeah.
So they'll just do that.
Yeah, priority move still priority.
Alan will realise that he's got the ice weakness, so
Callum will
switch
probably
to
swap
Sableye,
into
maybe?
Sableye? Yeah.
Imlo would be the best choice.
But Harry surely knows that.
Yes,
I mean, Talonflame.
Yes.
it's
That's also
happened.
good.
Bullet Seed.
How? Oh. How? Oh.
Oh.
Oh, what a Laka!
Yeah,
4
it's-
times?
oh,
Fucking Laka?
Bullet Seed worked for both of them, I suppose.
I can't believe he hit above average.
ooh.
Is that above average? I
Okay.
think so.
Mac Punch
Average
and
is
just
3.5.
hope it can
Actually,
do
that's
a
not.
lot. I doubt it will though, right?
Right, but Callum's not going first here, so he can't get the flinches off from Serene Grace.
Oh, Harry's just not dealing with it.
Oh. Oh. That was all over the place.
Yeah.
Very
That's harsh,
exciting.
man.
That turn.
Back into Lapras.
The strength's up. It's crazy. End of the Trick Room.
Crazy combo.
The Trick Room is just going back up this turn.
But that means he'll still get a turn of. Okay, he's done that before.
It's back.
Right,
Yeah.
I'm getting deja vu. Is Callum going to protect this turn?
I quite like the trick.
How he's going to switch into Breloom?
Something interesting could come out though.
Yeah. Like,
Perish Song!
Harry Song! It doesn't matter about your healing now, Harry. Take that.
Strength, sir?
I'm really surprised. Like, if he had Whirlpool on that thing,
He
it-
should really,
Oh!
he should really Whirlpool first.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
the answer?
Well, he doesn't have Whirlpool. He's not shown it. And if he was gonna do it, he'd have used it that turn.
Yeah. Can let's have a look. Lapras.
He could just protect
Oh,
here to
yeah, he
take a
can
turn
run
of
it.
Trick Room and then switch next turn. Or just do that and die.
The prediction. His
Uh-huh.
brain is so
His
big.
brain's so big. Harry's been around the block a few times.
Oh, I'm not sure about that.
Back into Jellison. It's a nice little rotation.
Oh, the U-turn though. That's cool.
Into Tapu, who can one-shot it. No!
Not again!
Very
Not again!
So I'm waiting. Whirlpool
Please,
Perish Song.
Whirlpool.
Whirlpool
What
Perish
I
Song.
want Harry to do now is to use Whirlpool into the Perish song.
No, just another freeze dry.
Another Trick Room.
Oh god.
Harry's
Yummer.
tearing Callum apart.
Duck! Help!
it's a
Could've
time
just
loop.
One-shot with Tapu. 4%? Burn won't kill though because of the leftovers on the strength set.
Burn goes boom. Wait, he's only got leftovers. Were they knocked off?
No, he does have leftovers.
Oh no, it did happen. I just didn't see it. Oh, that's my bad.
This music makes me want to watch Gravity Falls again.
I haven't watched that.
Good for you.
It does. It's
Music
not
off.
similar. It's just
Music off.
I muted it.
Music off.
He's going down.
No, he's
He's
not.
gonna get
Jesus,
him.
it's well too loud.
No, but the strength set gets diminishing returns.
Jesus
So next turn
Christ.
it actually
yeah,
shouldn't get
the
that much
volume
healing.
mixer.
It's the Lapras always slow.
Hey,
Even when I turned it right down.
He crit.
Oh, he got-
The freeze
Go-
dry.
Oh no, he
is
curse bodied him.
hot though,
Okay, no,
so he
I'll
can
fix that
switch into Breloom.
To be honest,
Yeah.
I think Harry wanted Jellison to die there.
I got
Then he
Chrome on like
protects, just
6
get
and
rid of the
Discord on
trick
like 70.
Nice. Wait, you're doing this on
It's a
Chrome?
nice balance.
You haven't downloaded the Pokemon Showdown app?
I'm doing it on
No.
browser.
I'm doing it on.
Moves. Yep,
I have
lovely.
to do it on
Download on
browser
PC.
because I'm on my mum's work PC.
Yeah, I've got it
Download
on.
it on her PC.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Oh,
You
no.
physically can't.
Oh,
the
no.
tab.
But
move.
it's-
Yeah, I didn't mean app on the phone, I meant app on the PC.
You should have just
No, I
protected
don't
to block
have
the
Application.
in the trick room.
An app.
To
like-
Jirachi and hope for flinches. Let's
Yeah.
go. Oh wait, he's not fire punch.
Application.
Yeah. Not easy to
Yeah,
kill.
okay.
Okay,
Fire
he's
punch.
super defensive. It's fine.
He will. Yeah, he can tank a mag punch. It
And
depends on
fire
how
punch
he.
isn't technician boosted. I don't
You've been
think.
talking about Mac Punch a lot. I don't think I've seen it yet.
You have.
We
have.
use it once.
Wow.
If you mouse over it, you can see what moves they've already used.
If really,
Man had
what how he
48
could do
fucking
is
people.
use mag punch just to get some damage off and switch into like something else with a clean switch.
Hmm.
But
How
then
long-
what?
Outspeed, he'll probably just one-shot it before he can get them. Oh wait,
Yeah,
mag
he'll
punch, of
outspeed
course.
the mag punch.
outspeed the mag punch.
Did
But a
that,
U-turn.
like scarf U-turn.
Has Harry got an electric type move?
Pretty funny.
With electric terrain, he may well.
Yeah, he's gonna have thunder.
Zekrom is the electric type one, right? So
Yeah.
he'll have like fucking
Maybe it's a
Turbo
bait though.
Blaze or something.
Well, there's no
Right,
reason to have the Reshiram.
Turbo Blaze is the
The
ability.
Victini though. It's-
What?
I was talking to Tom. Tom
Yeah,
said-
he's already got the fire type.
He's
He has
got fire type
create.
coverage.
Bolt strike.
So,
Bolt strike.
Those
Maybe
things
you want
Victini's
one
ears.
Or fusion.
What is it?
yeah, there's Victini's ears and a big V on his forehead.
This is,
Oh,
is so weird.
Oh,
Or U-turn into Dragonite to get the multi-skill off.
I wouldn't phrase it like that. To get the multi-scale off. To
I mean, the
waste
multi-scale
his
was-
multi-scale ability.
I'm
Yeah.
disappointed.
You really
We're not
want to
seeing
activate
Chino
it.
yet.
Okay, he's got the agility off.
God, if only he'd used his multi-scale earlier, he would have died to that attack.
The weakness policy.
He's such an idiot.
That's
Why is
the
he
how
so
he plays.
boosted?
So
Rather
weakness
than-
This is
policy,
weakness policy.
when you get hit by a
Right.
super effective attack, it raises your attack
Oh,
and
it's not
special
enough
attack.
though.
Oh, I see.
He did
Wrong.
so He could have.
Dude,
Oh, he
this is
could have.
classic.
Yeah,
Oh,
but don't tell him know about.
Probably doesn't know about multi-scale.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, he cast a Swatch out Dragonite though.
Is Harry just going to?
He has to switch
Yeah,
out. He can't
can
sweep
kill
his
the
whole
lab
team.
first, but that's it.
Double.
Ah,
protect.
no, the 1 in 3.
Oh.
It's a fair play though. He
He's
has to
gonna
try it.
perish.
The Chinchino's sweet.
So he knows he's gonna switch here.
Chin.
Unless Harry doesn't.
He could just.
That
Oh,
would
yeah, I
It's
think
probably a
he's gonna
better
sack-
decide.
This
just to
Chinchino has
fucking
triple
hit it
axle
with.
though. I'm
Sack
pretty
it. Do
sure
it.
it's gonna have it.
Punch.
Yeah. That's
mean,
what we need.
It's good.
Song.
I can't
You get because it gets him the
perish
free
now.
switches.
Right, let's just hope it launches now.
15 is
The
equal speed.
V-create
100%
tied to
versus
speed.
100.
Lynch.
Iron head.
Whoa.
It's gonna keep doing it.
Is this a speed tie, or do you think like? I think Callum probably might have a.
No.
Scar.
Out bench.
I don't think
GG.
Harry has
The
the.
champ.
was it-
Jeez.
GG.
Remains victorious. Harry's too
GG.
good.
Harry, why could you just lose?
Your Lapras was so fucking tanky. Holy shit. How it
Also makes
takes
it
so
survive that long.
little damage. Whew.
I'm actually really proud of Lapras now.
Callum,
Yeah,
if you
hacking.
just did the freeze dry.
Yeah, I
would've
realized
died.
how good
Yeah.
freeze dry was after I started.
No, onto Dragonite. You know Dragonite's ability, Mortal.
No, I don't.
It was
Good
the
work.
first effective attack against it, less damage, so you could have just killed it with the second one.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I didn't know that.
That's
Oh, well.
for reference to everyone that's facing Harry in future.
Mhm.
Remember that.
Yeah, reduces
That's if
damage.
Dragonite stays around. I
Oh,
don't
no,
know why.
Harry, why would Dragonite not stay around? We've
I
done
like
the
it.
drafting.
Fucking sucks.
Well.
I need emergency trades.
Going to end the recording here.
Sure, yeah, Tom.